All right, I got some new material in, and I've got this is pretty. Uh, I'm gonna cut this into make dressed in plate table runners. I hope everybody has had a Merry Christmas. I had mine yesterday. Had my dinner. All right, I'm gonna finish cutting these out, and when I get ready to sew them together, I'll bring you back. All right, I've got all these cut out. I've got enough here to make 4 table runners. I've got them all cut out. There's 29 patterns. All right, I'm going to start sewing them together. All right, I'm going to sew the points on. I'm going to sew right across here, a 1/4 of an inch. This will make my points when I get it turned inside out. I've already got a bunch of them sewed, but I wasn't gonna film the whole thing. I'm back stitching that so it won't come out. All right, I'll bring you back when I get them all done. All right, I'm sewing these together. I'm up late. It's almost morning now. But I took a nap early. I woke up. I said, well, I've had these cut out. I'll just sew them together. Oh, my needle came unthreaded. Oh, hold on just a second. Yeah, I've got it wrapped. I got too much up here in my way. I'll try this again. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yep, we got just enough. I'm ready to go press this out. I'll bring you with me. All right, I'm working on this. I've got to put it together, and I've got this pen to my background, and I'm going to sew the middle part onto it now. So let me get started. I'm putting a pink middle in it, solid pink, because I've got some of the little things that's got pink in it, and I thought that would look pretty. It'd bring out that pink in the material. I'm gonna sew around, attach to the white. I'm not going to attach any prayer points to this. I'll bring it back when I get this. Alright, I've got all three of these blocks made for this table runner. It turned out pretty. All I got to do is now put the backing in the bedding on it. I'm not going to put prayer points on this one because I didn't have any extra material left over. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year, everybody.